morning. How do you get dressed with ease? Here's a tip. Consider simplifying everything. There's only 365 days in the year, people. So consider simplifying your wardrobe. You know how this feels, and it feels amazing. Anytime you have packed for a trip, you have simplified everything. You've made powerful decisions. You've put into your suitcase only things that you love, only things that fit, only things that you wear with confidence and clarity. And the result of that is a vacation where you don't think about your clothes, where you don't think about your wardrobe, where you don't think about any of it because you have simplified everything, because you have already decided, because everything fits and everything you love. One simple way that I decided to simplify everything in my closet started with one decision, and it was to only wear pearl earrings. I had a collection of earrings, most of which were gifts, and it just added a little bit of frustration, a little bit of angst, a little bit of spinning in the morning. So I decided to only wear pearl earrings. They go with everything I wear. They go with my style. It's a no-brainer. And that one decision has freed up so much mental space. So that decision may not be for you, because perhaps you feel differently about earrings than I do. But is there something that you can simplify in your wardrobe that will free up some mental space? Join the wardrobe challenge for more ideas on how to curate a wardrobe you love, how to get dressed with ease, and go confidently into your day. My name is Heidi Gammill, and I'm a closet coach. I live a closet coach life, and let me tell you, it is fantastic. Have a great day. Bye.